Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from 305 Film Studios. Today we have another purchase from our friends at Costco, the Sharper Image Compact Sport Power Percussion Portable Deep Tissue Massager. It talks a lot about injury recovery and more specifically muscle recovery and just general soreness and general strain, whether it's through exercise or through wear and tear of the body. And it offers 4 different speeds and chargeable batteries. We're just going to open the packaging, and as you can see here, it offers the kind of tips, or rather some notes that it has about what it can offer, about speedy recovery, about being quiet. It can be quiet on the first kind of speed, but generally it does sort of make noise. Again, about the lithium batteries that can charge up, so you got that. And then here is the actual product itself behind the little it's not a glass. What is this? Like a plastic covering? Yeah, we'll go with that. And then it offers a little bag here, as you can see, for potential for portable use, and then the actual massager here. So we're going to take it out. There we go. All right. So here it is. This is how you'd hold it, excuse me. And then here you have the different heads for it. Right now we have it set here, and then this bigger kind of ball setting that it has, again, about, and here we have another version. The portable bag, fairly sized. I think you could fit probably this guy in here and then maybe the accessories, and probably that's about it. There you go. And we got another head for it. So it comes with 4 different heads to be able to attach to this guy. And now we're going to see how it actually works. So the idea is simple. You have 4 modes of power with this. You hold the bottom button here for 3 seconds. 3, and there you go. So this is the lowest speed possible, and then you can go up from there by simply clicking the button. There you go. So you can see that the first gear is rather slow, so it is silent, but it can still definitely be heard. And then here, you just apply it to whatever part of the body you want. There you go. So that is pretty much the breakdown of the product. If we go into the battery as far as charging it, it has a USB-like port on the bottom. Over here, this looks like USB-C, if I'm correct. And with that, you simply plug it in and charge it from there. And that's pretty much the product. It has interchangeable heads by simply removing the head, slapping it on. There you go. Pretty simple stuff. It claims to have a very reliable charge as one of the key things of this product. We've been finding that this product is very reliable when it comes to wear and tear for muscles and just generally massaging when there are sore areas, particularly shoulder and neck. And then you could change the different heads, as we were talking about earlier, the different heads to better suit what body part or what area of the body that you're looking to massage. So we've been finding that this is a great product, especially compared to other products in the market. And again, you could find it at Costco for a pretty solid price. So we recommend it, and we recommend its portability and recommend the accessibility of a product like this. So again, this is the Sharper Image Compact Sport Power Percussion Portable Deep Tissue Massager. There you go. I know how to read. So thank you guys for watching. We will be doing other unboxings, and that will be it for this time. If you like this content and other content, please be sure to like and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.